guys? XRP Lambos for life, bringing you another cryptocurrency video. In this video, I want to talk about how I'm still bearish, been bearish since this point. Contemplating on the way down in here that the supports could change from 53 to 56 to 30K. 56K was the support that bounced the price. We bounced all the way back up here. I made a video right here saying we were going to dump, and here, and price has still kind of gone sideways since that time. I do still think that Bitcoin is going to go to $7,000, and it's been an entire week since I've made my last video. And you might be wondering, Lambo, why don't you make more videos? Well, there's nothing really to talk about since the price has not really done much. And I've been bearish now for about almost 2 whole months. 2 whole months of waiting for the price action to drop, and it has not dropped just yet. But the structure in here has gotten my attention yet again, and we have another opportunity for the market to capitulate from this point, as this could be an ABC in here, leading to the final ending point of this distribution phase in here. Bitcoin has been in here for all of March, all of April, all of May, and now June, so 3 or so months. Over 3 months in here, we've been chopping around in this range. Still, I'm expecting the price to go to $7,000. You might say, Lambo, why $7,000? And that's just based off of my trading method. I could explain that the 4.236 is the most significant. People trade these things differently than I do. And my last video received a lot of hate. I want to read some of these comments back to you guys because I think it is so funny, and we're going to go ahead and like them while we're doing it. If it's so obvious that it's going to dump, why don't you enter short? Well, I told you guys a while back that I don't trade long or short because that would interfere with my bias in my trades. And my objective is to be the most accurate YouTube technical analysis crypto boy on the planet. And I am not going to be entering this market or exiting this market at all. The objective is to have no bias, and the objective is to help you all. I will make my money through donations. I have not decided if I want to put my donation tag in my description just yet, as the channel is still growing. Again, we're growing a little faster here, as my other videos only had 200 views. This one had 1,000, so a little faster. OMG, can't believe I came across this funny S. We all wish Bitcoin would dump to 7K. Dude, what crack are you smoking? Bitcoin is going to 120K. What charts or theses for this drop are you using? We'll go over those in a little bit. You trolling, bro? My answer was no. 7K club. This guy gets it. I need to like all of these guys' stuff so that they know that I am posting. You need to update more often. I'm working on it. Again, it is a process. Maybe 50K, but 7K is impossible. Next video, well, let this be your last then. Making one right now. The amount of money coming in from institutional, okay, all this. I would suggest that you really predict the next chess world champion. Again, guys, it's all a giant show. They say that they're doing this and that and the other. It's all a giant lie. None of it is true. Down to 7K, really, bro? Absolutely. Nice drawing. Thank you. WTF, no way, Nathan. That's my name, by the way. My name is Nathan. Yes way, XP will never see all-time again. It will see all-time highs after we can capitulate. OMG, the FUD. Zoomers have entered the market. I am not a Zoomer. Yes, please, so I can load up 10K. Absolutely. No, it will pump over 100K. I don't know, maybe. Dude, LMAO. This guy expects this guy expects this, and that guy expects that. You're going to want to counter trade all of them because they're all lying to you. 7K, are you insane? Maybe so. We don't need to be bearish until 50K Bitcoin. Do a big zoom out the market. The trend line is completely bullish again. Maybe on your chart, but not mine. And then bull run? Absolutely, we will have the bull run after. If that's your favorite coin, go for it. Maybe you should stick with XRP. I am sticking with XRP. We'll be buying only XRP after capitulation. Moon it. I would love to see it. Cap? No. You hide your meth habit really well. That was hilarious. LOL 7K. Yes. It's not going to dump, bro. It's going to be up steady for 2 months. Maybe so. Y'all been saying it's going to pump for months. Y'all been saying it's going to dump in years. Already did 160% in 1 year. Oh, I guess it has. LMAO. They're laughing and laughing. A few people agree with me. Most do not. That's exactly what I want to see. To me, let me explain to you my hypothesis on why we were going to dump to 7K really quickly here. To me, this is a complete 5-wave structure. Why is that important? Because that means that this is the 5th wave in here, right? Bitcoin follows the waves and TA like any other chart. Diminishing returns on every halving is concerning. And we have, 7K, guys, is the most modest target for the Great Depression, which should happen in here. This to me is, so we can see that real quick, that we're having diminishing returns every halving. When every halving we should have something like this. The Bitcoin price should go like this and just keep going like that. But we're not seeing that. Instead, we're seeing declining volume on an uptrend. With each halving, Bitcoin is becoming more rare, but the price is not reflecting that rarity. There's going to need to be a massive correction. In my opinion, this is wave 1 and 2. Let me pull out the arrow so it's a little easier to follow along. I'm going to struggle to find this arrow because I haven't used it in so long. Wave 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then within wave 5 there are 5 waves. This could be 1 and 2, and then in wave 3 there are 5 waves. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's wave 3. We had wave 4 and now wave 5. I just went over that the 5th wave came in here with a slightly higher high from wave 3. You might be saying, well, Lambo, why isn't wave 5 going to extend up to higher highs? And that's because the DXY is looking to go up, up, and up. Now the dollar comes back in here and goes like this. To me, this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this is a 4, and then wave 5 needs 5 waves. Do you see 5 waves in here? I do not. I see a 1, 2, I see a 3 and 4, and I see a 5. Now, how high is wave 5 going to go? Again, the 4.236 from wave 1 and 2 is the minimum target here. And bing, 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 143. So if we have to do a 5-wave structure in here, the dollar has to go up quite a lot, guys. The COVID crash was this little blimp right here. This was COVID. This is the Great Depression. Again, the dollar is going to go up. The stock market looks like it's going to go down. The crypto market looks like it's going to go down. It's just my opinion. Invalidation for me is at $71,375. If Bitcoin goes to 71,400, 71,500, and we break this high right here, 72, and we're pushing up, the trade is invalid, and we will go straight to $82,000 for the next resistance. Okay, guys? I am bearish, but we can trade both directions. If Bitcoin breaks 71.3, 71.4, 71, high 71, 72, breaks those, boom, boom, straight to $82,000. But I think that we are going to see a massive capitulation to the downside here for Bitcoin, and the target is $7,000. Why is it going all the way to $7,000 though, Lambo? That is a massive 90% drop. Are you out of your mind? We gotta look at the rest of the market, guys, and the rest of the market suggests that we will be going to having massive capitulations in here. I'm not even gonna go over all this because I've just went over this so many times. 90% drop. I'm just talking all the time. Again, we gotta get 5th wave in here for ICP. 90% drop going to Jasmy. Jasmy has been doing really well. Look at this. Jasmy all the way back at 4 cents. That's insane. If you bought the bottom, you're up 1,000%. And very well rewarded since the price dropped 99%. Now the price is only down 88% from all-time highs. What a rally. But if you kind of look at the normal chart, it's not that big of a rally. In fact, it's a very small rally in comparison to how much the price has actually dropped. Again, the structure we can probably put on normal scale. We draw a trend line. We draw a trend line. We are going to need to see another lower low. Okay, that's 0. Okay, that was a little goofy of me. Sorry, guys. We can draw the trend line like this. We can draw it like that. Anyways, we need to see another lower low. That's why we're going to go back to log scale. Oh my, all right. Just a slightly lower low. Nothing too serious in here for a final structure. A final leg in here. I need to see one more leg for this to be the bottom. It's a big drop, 94%. Big drops, guys. Big drops. Okay? So for Bitcoin, it would make sense that we come down in here to $7,000 before going back and creating new higher highs. If $7,000 is going to be the bottom, which I am willing to bet that it is going to be the bottom. All right. If you have any questions, please comment down below your thoughts and opinions, like and subscribe. I don't think I'm going to be putting the donation thingy for my Bitcoin address just yet. Make the channel grow a little longer, and then I can introduce the donation link for those who are big fans of my work. Quick, I guess I can show you guys I'm not retarded, and I actually do know what I'm doing in here. Okay, just for examples, guys, you can do this with anything. This is me calling the Pepe bottom. Now this is the exact same chart that Jasmy has, that ICP has. But we needed a fifth leg in here, guys. This is a 50% correction, or yeah, probably a little more than 50%. The bottom's supposed to be coming in here. That's my call, boys. Boom, we got it. Got the bottom in. Now, how much money did, or not money, sorry. And then how much did it go up from there? That was the bottom, and boom, now that's the top. I call the bottom, and now I'm calling the top. How much percentage is that, Lambo? How much are we talking? That's crazy, Lambo. You called the bottom? No way, Lambo. You're calling the top now? 2,000%, Lambo. What? You're crazy. Look, there's only 2 calls here, guys. It's not like I flip-flopped 10,000 times. I called the bottom, and then I called the top. Easy peasy, easy peasy. Same thing with Dogecoin. I called the bottom, and I called the top. Now XRP is next. I'm going to call the bottom, and I'm going to call the top. And you are all going to get rich if you listen to exactly what I tell you to do. Let's go to Dogecoin. What is on my screen? That's hilarious. Gotta find the... I don't know where this is. We go to the bottom. Buy it. You want to buy Dogecoin at 0.002 cents? Well, that was the time to do it. This is when I was a noob. I didn't even know what I was doing. This is my first year trading. That's how I called it before Elon even tweeted about it, right? Right? Yes, correct. And the top. I gave you financial death. Calling it at 72 cents, guys. That's the top. Sell here if you want to be financially free. How low does it go? And keep clicking, keep clicking. And more. And some more. And some more. And some more. And some more. You get the point. That was the top. That was the top. That was the bottom. Yeah, so guys, I've been wrong before. I've been wrong a lot. But when it comes to, actually, not when it comes to anything new. I've been wrong before, I've been right before, but I feel pretty confident that this is the top for Bitcoin, and we're going to see a massive capitulation, just like we saw on Dogecoin, from 72 cents down. A massive capitulation for the entire crypto market, the entire cryptocurrency market. Now, guys, we're going to call the bottom, like I called the Pepe bottom, and then I called the Pepe top, 2,000%. That is a big, big gain. But XRP is going to give 20,000% from the bottom to the top. We're going to go down here. We're going to buy XRP at Bitcoin's equivalent of $7,000-ish, and then we're going to sell XRP at the top. And that top I will mention when we get there. But right now we're going to dump. So guys, get ready, get set, and go.